In this video I'll be demonstrating how to use the aerial ladders. These truck companies are one of 3 types of ladder companies that the FDNY has. These are called aerial ladders or rear mounts. You can also call them a stick. The other types are tower ladders and tiller ladders, and we will explain those in a separate video. When you arrive on scene, you want to do a size up of the building. You want to figure out where do you want to place the ladder. Do you want to go up to the roof to vent? Do you want to go to a window to rescue somebody? It's up to you and your decision making. The first step is to put the outriggers down. The outriggers use the period key to go horizontally first, and then the comma key to go vertically down. So we're going to hold period. And then we're going to hold control. You'll notice the ladder start to lift up. Once we have it stabilized, we can get on this ladder here by pressing F. It'll bring us up to the turntable, and you'll have a UI showing you the controls of the ladders in front of you. You can always hide this UI with the X key. So in this case, we're going to head up to the roof. You can go into first person with the V key, and it'll give you a better depth of field to see whether you are already there or not. So we're up to the roof now. Once we have the ladder where we want to go, we can press the C key to start climbing. To climb forward, hold the W key, and to climb back down, you can hold the S key. If you want to dismount the ladder prematurely, you can press the F key. Otherwise, if you walked all the way to the tip, it will automatically dismount you. To get back on the ladder, just press the C key at the tip and you'll head back down. That's the basics of this aerial ladder. And next we will show you portable ladders.